Good morning, guys. What's up? Welcome back to another video. I'm so excited that it's officially fall now. I'm getting into my fit girl fall era, and I hope you guys will try to do it with me. And yes, we are back on the booty building train. I'm aiming for like 2 leg days a week right now, and I'm really trying to focus on what I'm eating, which is honestly the hardest part in my opinion. So today I want to show you guys some really easy fall recipes that are really great for muscle gains. I also wanted to share some quick tips later on how you can stay consistent with your workouts so you can see those results. So definitely make sure to stick around for that. I think they're really helpful tips. But yeah, happy fall everyone. I hope you enjoyed the video. Let's have a great day. Overnight oats are such a convenient and filling breakfast, and these pumpkin pie overnight oats are so yummy for fall. Plus, oatmeal contains the proteins, carbs, and macros needed to support muscle growth and strength. You do want to prep this the night before, but it only takes like less than 10 minutes to do, and then you'll pop it in the fridge overnight, and when you wake up, your breakfast is all ready to go. In the morning, I just topped it off with some chopped walnuts for some crunch. You could also add some fruit or granola too though. I'm actually heading out pretty quick here. I have a haircut appointment. I haven't cut my hair in like 4 months, and I just thought it was time to freshen it up. I don't know if you guys remember. Hey, Nene. I cut my hair the last time. I did it myself, and it turned out okay, but it wasn't my favorite haircut, so I thought I would just leave it to the professionals. But conveniently, over the summer, I met this girl that's a hairstylist, and she's actually the girlfriend of a friend of Arie and I's from high school. So yeah, she's super nice, and I'm really excited for her to do my hair because she seemed really knowledgeable on hair. So I'm excited to see how it turns out. She's literally my shadow. She's like always next to me, and sometimes I accidentally like lock her in the closet because I don't realize that she's like right by my side, and it's so funny. But yeah, she's just a little baby kitten, so she's attached on my hip like a real baby. Back from the haircut, it turned out amazing. My hair literally looks so much healthier. She washed it with amazing products and gave me some long layers. I cut off like 2 inches, and then she also thinned it out a little bit because my hair just gets so thick, and yeah, it's crazy, but I absolutely love how it turned out, and my hair just feels like so soft and healthy, and you can like see how like glowy it looks. It looks so healthy. I'm obsessed with it, so happy, but I am very hungry now, so I'm gonna go make some lunch. So we're gonna be making a fall harvest bowl. We got some arugula for the base. We also have some crumbled goat cheese, some chickpeas, and then we have 1 sliced up Honeycrisp apple, some cranberries. I also air fried some sweet potato just in some olive oil and salt and pepper. We got some couscous here, and then I thought it would be fun to try out this fall Trader Joe's dressing that I found. It just sounded really good and perfect for this bowl.
You're the rose in a garden, and it shows if I'm honest. You're the leaves in mid-August, and I've come out here to say that I love you. You in my arms, won't let go.
I just got this new workout set in the mail, and I had to show you guys because I'm literally obsessed with it. It was only $30. I found it on Amazon. Nina, she's always biting my feet. Hey, I don't know if you guys can tell on camera, but it is ribbed as well, which I think is really cute. But yeah, it's just such a flattering set, and I always get a nice boost of motivation to get on my fitness grind when I have a cute new workout set to wear. Before I get into my workout, I just wanted to quickly sit down and share some quick tips that I think are really helpful to help you stay consistent with your workouts, even on the days that you don't feel like it, because I feel like those are the days that are the hardest and where things start to go downhill. So let's say it's one of those days where I'm just really not feeling like working out. In that case, I will just tell myself that I only need to do a few minutes of movement, whatever that may be. Sometimes I'll just hop up and do some jumping jacks or some squats, and I'll instantly just feel so much better and more accomplished after just doing that, because it's really all about just showing up in some way. Even if you end up just stopping right then and there, it's way better to do something than nothing at all. If you want to become a person that consistently works out, then you have to show up more days than you don't, and I guarantee you will continue to improve over time as you keep showing up. It's basically like casting votes towards the person that you want to become. You don't need all the votes to win, but you do need the majority, if that makes sense. Another good thing you could do is to simply start with the first step. Don't think any further than that. Just put on your workout clothes. That is the first thing you need to do, and it may just change your mood about working out. It's also really helpful to take the time to schedule your workouts into your day whenever you have time available, and this will make it so you're less likely to skip it since you actually delegated time in your day to do the workout. It's basically like an appointment now. So yeah, those are just some simple, easy tips that can hopefully help you on your fitness journey. We are in this together, guys, and please remember that no matter how many times you fall off track, that the only thing that matters is that you get right back on. Anyway, I'm gonna get my workout done now. I'm just gonna do an at-home ab workout. I actually found a new one on Pinterest that I wanted to try. I feel like I always do the same thing, so I thought I would switch things up today. It's actually good for your muscles when you do that. So yeah, let's get it done.
I lose my